Abkhazia, a land of unparalleled natural beauty, where the majestic peaks of the Caucasus Mountains meet the tranquil shores of the Black Sea. Spanning just 50 kilometers, this narrow strip of land is a masterpiece of ecological diversity, boasting a tapestry of landscapes that transition seamlessly from verdant rainforests to the pristine snow-capped peaks and glaciers. The rugged terrain of Abkhazia is dominated by towering mountain ranges, particularly towards the eastern border, where peaks soar to dizzying heights of 3,500 to 4,000 meters above sea level. Within the Greater Caucasus Range lie 14 mountain passes, nestled between altitudes of 2,300 to 3,000 meters, each presenting its own set of challenges for travelers. Many of these passes remain inaccessible for much of the year, adding to the region's mystique and allure. But Abkhazia isn't just a land of mountains. Its landscape is also shaped by numerous rivers and lakes, nourishing the fertile soil that sustains abundant vegetation. From its lofty peaks to its lush valleys, Abkhazia is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature.